Good morning, student. How are you? I am SK sir. I have brought an English worksheet for pre-nursery. Today, we will learn easy tricks to identify letter E. Now, we see here A, B, C, D. Then, which letters come after D? So, here picture is given in which two figure of E are given, in which one is big and one is small. Now you look here. First, big E. Second, small e. Now by this picture we can learn, children, big E, small e. Now this activity has been brought particularly those students who are not able to recognize the letter properly. So I created this activity to get easily understood by the children. So now you see here some exercise also given, in which children have to complete it. Now let's do it. Circle the letters E in given words and color it with green. Before this video, I brought this kinds of activity in which only letter to letter recognitions have been shown, but this activity I want to clear the concept of identification of letter E very clear. Now they have to recognize letter E from this word. Now here we all know E, A, R, but children have to first recognize the letter E, then first they look and match with each other. So they have to circle it now and color it with green. So they have to first circle and fill with green color. In this way, second word, now in these words they have to select letter E. First they identify and select and circle, then fill the color. In this way, third option, pen, P-E-N. Here also E is given in mid, so they have to circle and fill the color. Next, I, E-Y-E. In this word, two letters E are given, first E and last E. So they have to match the letter E and they fill color by selecting E letter. In this way, they properly accomplish this activity and they understand easily. Now second, put the correct letters in given spaces. Here letters are given but their places are very different. Now first see D, and after D a gap is remains, so we have to fill which letters come after D. So they have to first read, then they have to put here E. Which letter? E. Now in this way they complete this. Second, we see here gap is remain, and after that F letter is. So which letters come before F? So we know that E, F. So we have to put E. Here children have to first read, and by recognizing fill the correct letter in given spaces. Here C, D dash F. Then now here also they read, and which letters come in between D and F? We know that E, after D E, and before F E letter come. Now here D dash F G, here also they have to read, and by identify they have to fill letter E. In this way they complete this activity very clearly. Now third, drag the lines and match letter with their picture. Here now look at the given pictures, and in mid a square is made in which 3 E letters are given. Now here first we see egg. Before doing this activity, children have to recognize the picture. What are the name of this picture? Here name are also given. This is an egg, this is an eye, and this is an ear. In this way they have to match with each letter. Now here egg, now they have to match with each letter. Now in this way they complete this. Now ear, they have to eye, they have to match it. Then ear, they have to match it. In this way they complete the picture with given letters. Now from this children understand letter with their pictures very easily. Put the correct letters in their place by identifying. Here now some gaps are given, and just beside here one picture is made in which some letters are scattered. Now they have to put each letter properly. Now we know that first we start from A, then we have to put A. Now in this way, now they have to select B, after A B, then they put B. Now C D E. In this way they have to complete this activity. This activity helps children to make better understanding, to identify letters with their pictures. If you like video, then subscribe, and thanks for viewing this video.